is it?
Not every day. I would say about every 3 days I use the product. As far as how fast you see the results, literally 24, 48 hours.
The little tomato plant, you notice it even more. It's just like it blows up
Absolutely
overnight. It's
amazing.
pretty crazy, right? What's up, everyone? We're here at Top Tropical today with one of our favorite customers, Karim.
Yep.
Nice to meet you today.
Nice to meet you
We just
as well.
met him today. But today we're going to talk about the Sunshine Boosters, and he's a big fan of them.
Huge fan.
Yeah?
Yep.
All right. So where do you use them? Where do you grow all your plants?
We have everything from mangoes to orange trees to lemon trees to June plums to Djibouti kavas, and I use it on everything. Seedlings as well. I like to soak the mixture in seeds. Soak the mixture with the seeds. Go ahead and put them in the ground. They sprout way faster. Hold up a lot better in regards to not watering and everything like that. Great products.
Nice. And then do you grow here in Southwest Florida?
Yep.
Or?
Yep, Cape Coral.
Yeah, nice. And then I heard that you use like the citron product. And do you use that just on your citrus trees, or do you use that on anything else?
So far, just because it says citrus, I use it on citrus.
Right.
But I haven't ventured out to use it on anything else. But as far as for the citrus, keeps it green. Helps with combating, other issues that you would suck the nutrients from it to turn the leaves yellow and everything like that. Mm-hmm. Great product.
And now, how often do you use it? Like, is it like an every day? You got to go out there every day, or
No,
is
no,
it?
not every day. I would say about every 3 days I use the product. As far as how fast you see the results, literally 24, 48 hours, you'll see the difference in your plant.
Yeah, I've noticed that too.
Yeah.
Like, especially even on like a little tomato plant, you notice it even more. It's just like it blows up
Absolutely
overnight. It's
amazing.
pretty crazy, right?
Absolutely amazing.
And then, so is it easy to use, or is it like do you have to be a scientist
Nope,
to figure it out? Or
not at all. Sometimes even if you put a little bit more than you're supposed to, as long as it's not double or triple anything crazy, very forgiving products. In the beginning I wasn't anything close to a scientist. You don't have to be to use it. You know what I mean? You just go ahead and put down the exact measurements that's needed. It flows just how it needs to.
Nice. Now I've used another product of ours. It's called the Epi, and that's like a plant hormone, a plant steroid.
Yep.
Have you ever used that on like recovering
All
a
the
plant
time. All
or
the
anything?
time.
So
All
what's
the
that
time.
all about?
As far as when I put the plants from let's say I dig out a plant, put it to another spot, or put it back into a pot, just to help the whole transition to where you don't see any yellowing or even too much leaf droppage. It just helps the plant completely recover from transition.
Yeah, exactly. I've noticed that too. I've had a plant that I thought was dead, and I put it on there, and in like 3 days, it's starting to grow new growth.
Exactly.
And also I've heard that if you use it on plants when they're young, that it will help. Like on a tomato, for example, it'll help get the root or the stalk, thicker and stronger.
It definitely does. It definitely does. On literally all of my seedlings that I use it on, that's the biggest thing that you notice first. Not only the leaf production, but how fast and how thick the stalk actually grows.
Nice. And then we have another product that I heard that you use called the honey.
Yeah.
And it's to help sweeten up the fruit and make it like actually taste good. Because I know a lot of us grow fruit and sometimes we're disappointed because we spend all this time waiting for it to ripen, and then we try to eat it and it's just bland.
Yep. Well, basically with the honey, it's very easy to use just like anything else. The milliliters in regards to the requirements, it's very cost effective in how much you have to use per plant. And like I said, with the nutrients, you can literally mix everything together. The honey, the whole entire nutrients, what it needs during the bloom or during the vegetative state, and it's literally foolproof.
Nice. See, I haven't got to use that myself, but I have some fruit trees that are beginning to flower, so I'm going to try them on that.
Good.
And see what happens.
You need to. It's great.
And then we have the whole line here, so I want to know, is there anyone that you really just love over the others? You probably use them all. I pretty much use them all, but is there any that you really, really like?
I would say it's a close tie, but the young plant booster really does help for young plants, especially if it gets to water. Let's say if it gets cold outside. Basically, all of the sunshine products help you to have your plants to be drought tolerant, as well as, let's say, if you water too much, you're definitely going to see the signs in your plants when you use the sunshine boosters.
Right.
It's very forgiving. Very forgiving.
And it's interesting. I was talking to you earlier, and you said you never have used the Robusta, but that's one of my favorites. As like an all-purpose for anything that's just green growth.
Okay.
I pretty much use this one, and it works really good. But yeah, man, I think that about wraps it up. I just appreciate you sharing your passion with us about our product, and yeah, I hope you continue to use it and all that good stuff.
I swear by it. As long as they keep on producing, I'll be using it.
Right on, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, take it easy.
No problem.
And thanks for watching, guys. You can subscribe if you're on YouTube or follow us on Facebook. But yeah, you guys have a good day, and we'll catch you next time.
Take it easy.
Peace.